Stitch, also known as Experiment 626, is an alien creature created by Dr. Jumba in the galaxy. Originally designed to be an indestructible and chaotic being, Stitch was banished to Earth after causing mayhem across the universe. Upon arrival, he crashes off on the Hawaiian island of Kauai, where he meets a young girl named Lilo Pelakai. Lilo, who is struggling with loneliness and feeling misunderstood, adopts Stitch, thinking he's just a dog from outer space. At first, Stitch continues his destructive ways, causing trouble everywhere he goes, and even plans to escape back to space. But as Lilo teaches him the importance of honor, family, Stitch starts to change. Through their adventures, Lilo and Stitch form a strong bond. Stitch learns that being part of a family is about love, trust, and understanding, not destructions. With the help of his new family, Stitch ultimately chooses to stay on Earth, where he finds a home, purpose, and place to belong. The story of Lilo and Stitch is a heartwarming tale about family, forgiveness, and the power of love to transform even the most chaotic of creatures. Stitch, also known as Experiment 626, was created by the evil scientist Dr. Jumba. As part of his experiment, Stitch was designed to be a perfect weapon, strong, nearly indestructible, and with no moral compass. After escaping from his creator's lab, Stitch was sent to Earth to be captured. However, on Earth, he crash-landed on the Hawaiian Islands. There, he was discovered by a lonely young girl named Lilo Belki. Lilo, who had recently lost her parents, was looking for a companion and found Stitch. Thinking he was just a strange and mischievous dog, despite in his destructive nature, Lilo adopted Stitch and they formed a special bond, teaching each other valuable life lessons and along the way. Stitch at first continued his chaotic behavior, trying to escape Earth and continue his mission of destruction. But as he spent more time with Lilo, he began to understand the true meaning of honor, the Hawaiian concept of family. It taught him that no one gets left behind or forgotten, and family is about accepting and caring for each other no matter how different or troubled someone may be. As Lilo and Stitch bond grew stronger, they found themselves working together to protect each other and their new family. Stitch eventually embraced the idea of family and stopped trying to run away, choosing to stay on Earth, where he finally found a place where he truly belonged. Their adventures continued, full of laughter, growth, and love, showing that even the most unlikely friendships can change the world. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.